Hello and welcome to SharePoint 101 for Records Management. In this video, you will learn all about SharePoint, how to use it, how to locate files, how to upload files, and some other basics. For demonstration purposes, we will be looking at the Office of Drinking Water's SharePoint site. To get started, let's first learn about exactly what SharePoint is. SharePoint is a web-based collaborative platform. It easily lets you integrate with Microsoft Office. In the past, it was primarily just used for storing documents, but now it is more of a robust document sharing system with multiple purposes. So it's used not only for storing data, but project management, document management, creating websites, automating work processes, developing applications, and so much more. And SharePoint can be accessed from anywhere using your desktop or mobile device. Just how do you log into SharePoint? To access SharePoint, click on the Microsoft Office 365 SharePoint app from the dashboard. If this is your first time signing into SharePoint, you will need to enter your COV email address and then you're going to click Next. Then you will enter your password. When asked if you want to stay signed in, choose No. If this is not your first time signing into SharePoint, you will get a different sign-in option. You will need to pick an account. Choose your name. Congratulations! Now you know more about SharePoint and you know how to log in. In our next part, we are going to learn how to navigate SharePoint and how to share files. Navigating the ODW SharePoint site. Your left navigation may look slightly different from what you see here in the video. However, in the left navigation, you may find links to other pages, document folders, and external links, just to name a few. For example, if you wanted to locate documents, you would simply click on Documents, and your document folder would open. Searching for documents. SharePoint has a built-in search engine. You can search from your home page to locate files and folders. As you can see here, I am on the home page. At the top of the home page, there is a search bar located here. So if you click on the search bar at the top, you can search by file name, and if you don't immediately find what you're looking for, you can filter the search. So I'm going to look for box 6. I typed in box 6 at the top in the search field, and now I'm just going to hit enter. Once I hit enter, all the files will be listed that has the words box 6 in them, and you can see all of my search results here. If what you're looking for you cannot find in this list right here, or the list is very long, you may want to filter it. You can come in and filter by files, sites, news, and images. And if you just click on each of them, you will notice that your screen may change a little bit if you have that information there. Like, I don't have any news and I don't have any images for sites, but I can definitely search by files. And then once you get here, you can filter a little bit more by going to file type. So again, if what you are searching for does not come up immediately from the name that you typed in, you can use a filter to narrow down your search option. If you click on Files up here in the menu, you can come down to File Type, and you will see multiple options like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, OneNote, PDF, and Photo. You can select one of those options and click Apply, and you will be able to see only the PDF filter. So if I click Apply here, you're going to notice now that all of the files that are PDF will be displayed. Also, to the right of each file name, you will see a thumbnail image of the file without having to open the file, and that is right here. This is from our previous search where we had a PDF and we searched for a file. Now imagine if I needed to share this folder 6 right here with someone, okay? I would click on the 3 dots right above the thumbnail. And when I click on the 3 dots, I am actually able to click the share option. And I can open this and share it and copy a link. So if I wanted to share this with someone, I can copy the link and share it with them, or I can just simply click on share, include the person's name, and send the file or folder to them. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to navigate the ODW SharePoint site, search for documents, and share a document. Before going any further, let's talk about file access and permissions. Your role will determine what file access and permission you will have. Most staff will have at least read-only access to all documents. All users, including those with no prior experience with a digital storage solution, will have the knowledge and tools needed to navigate within the SharePoint site and access record. Quality reviewers are staff who are equipped with the basic SharePoint knowledge to successfully support the quality review of documents. Supervisors and records managers are staff that have the knowledge and tools needed to fulfill their designated roles and support other staff with SharePoint access, permissions, and records management. In this session, we are going to look at how you can filter and sort using metadata columns. So let's get started. Filtering and sorting files using metadata columns. To locate the metadata from the home page, which is where I am now, you're going to scroll down until you locate field offices. Click on the appropriate office that you are looking for. I'm going to click on Richmond. Once you click on Richmond, a list of files will be displayed and you will be able to see and sort the metadata. To see all of the metadata, scroll to the right. You can use your scroll bar on the bottom and you will be able to see metadata. You can filter and sort metadata by several parameters to include PWSID, ODW field offices, geo-region, county and city, and etc. And as you can see here, I'm scrolling. This is the metadata. We're going to look at an example of a PWSID filter and sort. To filter and sort, you would need to go to the PWSID metadata column. So I'm just going to scroll over to the right and then click on the down arrow next to PWSID and you can choose one of those options. The first option I'm going to choose is ascending order. So then it's going to shift this data to ascending order. Okay, as you can see, that changed there. Another option that you can sort with the PWSID is to sort by group. So I'm going to scroll over again to the PWSID metadata column, click on the down arrow located beside here, and I can choose group by PWSID. So now if I scroll back over to the left, you're going to notice that any of these files that have the same PWSID will now be sorted and grouped together. Next, we're going to look at an example of a county-city sort. So to sort this metadata by county and city, scroll over to the right again And this time we're going to look for the county, city, metadata. You're going to click on the down arrow located to the right of county, city, and you can do ascending or descending or filter, group by county. But what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you how it will put it in ascending order. So now once I click on ascending, you will now see that the county and city is in ascending order. I can also group by county sort. So if I come back up here to county, city, and this time go to group by county, city, it will put all of the field offices that are in the same county and city together, and also the county and city metadata column. As you can see, Hanover is together, Clark is by itself because there are only one, and Bland is by itself. So you have several options when you are trying to sort. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to filter and sort files using metadata columns. In this next session, you will learn to upload, download, and a little bit more about sharing documents. Now, rename. To upload a document from the home page, scroll down and locate Field Offices. Click on the appropriate field office. In this case, I'm going to choose Richmond. Once I choose the field office, I'm going to click the Upload button here on the menu bar by clicking on the down arrow and choosing Files or Folder. In this case, I am going to choose a file. I have chosen the highlighted file on the screen, and then I'm going to click Open. And the file will be uploaded. As you can see, here is the file that I uploaded from my computer. And that is how easy it is to upload a file. Downloading a document. To download a document from the home page, you're going to scroll down to Field Offices. Locate the appropriate field office you're looking for. I'm going to click on Richmond. Okay. These are the files that are currently in this folder that I'm working with. I'm going to hover my mouse to the left of the file name and put a check mark right next to the file name. Then I'll go up to the menu bar and I can click Download. And the document will be downloaded to my computer. Another option is to hover over the name, locate the three dots beside the name of the file, and click Download. It does the same. Sharing a document. To share a document from the home page, you're going to scroll down and locate Field Offices. Click on the appropriate field office. I am going to click on Richmond. Hover your mouse over the document you would like to share. Right to the left of the ID, put a check mark. Then you can come up to the menu bar and click on the down arrow and click Share Link. Another option is to hover your mouse over the name of the file, go to the three dots to the right and click Share. And you will be able to share the document. Congratulations! You have successfully learned to upload a document to a correct folder, download a document, and share a document.